Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to start a chat in Microsoft Teams. So, to start a chat in Microsoft Teams, open Teams on your computer or phone. Select chat from the left sidebar. Next, click the new chat. So, it's the pencil or compose icon at the top. So, this one, click on that. Now, from here, in the search bar or in the to field, so type the person's name, email, or group name. So I'm just going to select this one. Once done, click the message box at the bottom. So type your message in the message box. So I'm just going to say hello. Then press enter or click send. So click send button and that's it. You can also start a group chat by adding multiple people. You can use the meet now button inside a chat to start a call instantly. You can also attach files using the paperclip icon at the bottom. You can add emoji, GIF, stickers, etc. So to add a group chat, so at the top, click on start a group chat, or you can also go to pencil icon right here. Then enter their names, emails, or phone numbers. Once done, click the message box at the bottom, then type your message, then press enter or click submit or send. So wait for it to be sent. And that's basically it. So that's how you can start a chat in Microsoft Teams. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.